Greeting, this is Colin Curtis, the executive chef here at Williamson Wines. I'm really excited to bring you Spring Garlic Carbonara. It's extremely light and it's one of our May recipes. Let's get started. So we have some beautiful green garlic. What we want to do is take off the green tops, they're a little bit bitter, and what we want is the nice meaty parts, all the way up a little above the roots. All right, we got our vegetables cut, and we have our beautiful bacon here. We're going to crisp this first in a pan behind me, and then we're going to go in with our vegetables after that. So to crisp the bacon, I add a little bit of the Williamson olive oil, about a tablespoon. You don't want to add too much because the pork has lots of fats on it. Put the bacon in, render it probably about 3/4 full. We're going to take the bacon out, put it on a plate with a napkin on it so it drains out some of the fat, and then go in with our vegetables and all that beautiful bacon fat. So I took my bacon out of the fat. It's rendered about 3/4 till it's semi-crispy. I have my vegetables. We're gonna go into the bacon fat next, and we're just gonna cook it until the onions are a little bit soft. All right, we have our vegetable mixture. That's cooking on medium-low heat for about 4 minutes. We just want to get those onions to about soft. I have our pasta water to the right of me here that's boiling. When this is cooking, we're going to get our pasta in the water, cook it, and we're also going to save about a cup of the water when we're done. To every carbonara, it ends with a great egg. We have some beautiful free-range organic eggs here. I usually use 2 egg yolks to 2 regular whole eggs. So, everybody thinks carbonara should be this heavy creamed pasta, when in fact it's just light ingredients and with a little bit of egg yolk. Crack the egg yolks and the regular whole eggs, and all we're gonna do is just break them a little bit with the whisk. In this bowl, we broke up our eggs. Let's check our pasta. Yep, ready to be strained. I'm saving a little bit of this nice starchy pasta water, so our end result will be extra creamy. So our vegetables have been going for about 5 minutes cooking in that really nice bacon fat. Our onions are nice and soft with a little bit of color on the leeks. I say we're ready. All of our ingredients are done. I have a nice stainless bowl right here. I have my eggs, my water, my vegetables in back that are beautiful. And pretty much what we're going to do here is just assemble everything together in order. We're going to go with our eggs first, right into the bowl. Vegetables. Grab our beautiful pasta. Really easy dish to do. Beautiful crispy bacon. And that reserved pasta water. Gonna give it a nice stir. We have a great aged Asiago, but you can use Parmesan cheese at home. Get that in there. Save a little bit for the top. This looks amazing. Go ahead and plate this. Topping it the Asiago. And now we're going to enjoy it with the Joy Sauvignon Blanc.